Hi guys, I'm Kartikesh. In this video, we are going to control a servo motor using joystick module. So let's go and let's get it. So this is the joystick module we are going to use in this project. It had a 5 pins which is GND and 5 volt and VRS is represented as X axis and Y as Y axis, and it had a switch. You can see that when I press the joystick module from upside, it presses the switch.
Next, I'm going to connect the male to female jumper wires to the joystick module. For this tutorial, we are going to control the x-axis of the joystick module. So I'm going to connect the male to female jumper wires to the ground pin and 5 volt pin and to the x-axis. At last, we are going to connect the servo motor to the Arduino Uno. So in this case, I'm using the SG90 servo motor for this tutorial project. There is a 3 wire in the servo motor. Orange wire is output and the red is positive and the brown is negative. So I'm going to connect the male to male jumper wires to the wires of servo motor. Okay, the wiring is over. Just connect the Arduino to our PC.
Okay guys, let's move on to our coding. For coding, just open Arduino software. In this software, we are going to include a library which is servo.h. For just hash include servo.h. Okay, next we are going to declare a name of the servo motor with using a servo command. So just servo space and the name of the servo motor is KKR. And we are going to declare the pin of joystick module x-axis. So int, the data type of integer int, and joy x equal to a0. The name of the joystick x is joy x and it is pinned in a0, which is analog pin of Arduino Uno. Next, in the void setup, we are going to declare the pin of servo motor using the name of the servo motor, which is KKR, and the function called attach. In this parenthesis, we are going to declare the pin of servo motor, which is the digital pin 3. Okay, it's over. Next, the void loop, we are going to declare two variables. The first variable is int val equal to analog read of joy x, which is we are getting an analog read of joy x from the joystick module. Okay, so see here the analog read which is counted is A0 of Arduino Uno. Okay, if we convert the joystick module in the digital pins, we are using digital read command. Okay, next we creating another variable which is val. Sorry, it's not val, it's a val. Okay, val x, okay, equal to map function. With using of map function, we are going to declare the from low to high values of joystick module and low to high value of servo pin. So see here map and the joystick val x, which is analog reading from joystick module. Next 0 to 1023 is the value of joystick module and the 0 to 180 is the value of servo motor. See, 0 to 1023 is the value of joystick module, and the 0 to 180 is the value of servo motors. Okay, next we are going to make a code of servo motor to write, which is kk.write of val. Okay, next at last we are going to declare a time delay which is 200 milliseconds. Okay, I'm going to explain the whole program. First we are including the servo motor library and we declaring a servo motor name. After that we declare the name of the joystick X and the pin of the joystick X. In this while setup we are declaring the pin of servo motor, which is the register pin 3 using the servo motor name. And the void loop we are creating two variables, which is val x and val. In the val x we are getting analog read of joy x, and in the val we are passing the map function to assigning the low to high value of both joystick and servo motors, which is 0 to 2023 and 0 to 180 degree, and we are giving a servo motor a command to write it. At last we are giving a time delay. Okay, just combining it. Okay, there's a error which is in val. Okay, we need to give a data type which is int. We are getting the integer value, so int of val. Now compile it. Okay, it's done. Just upload this program to your Arduino Uno.
Okay guys, see here, when I control the x-axis of the joystick module, the servo motor will turn. By using this tutorial, we are going to control and we are going to make a transmitter for our drone in upcoming videos. If you like and enjoy this video, like, share and subscribe to Karthikesh Robotics.